How to delete NordVPN account. So deleting your NordVPN account is not possible directly from your NordVPN accounts on your website. So you have to go to the help center of NordVPN. For that, open any browser and on the web address bar at the top, search for NordVPN Help Center. So once the result page appears, you have to click on Contact Us Support, which is the second link. And then once this page or interface appears of Contact Us of NordVPN, you have to click on Find a Help button at the left side. And then on the search bar, you need to click on it and search for the delete. So here is the option of how can I delete my NordVPN account. Click on the second option. Scroll all the way down and here is the instruction to delete your account. So first of all, you have to open the account deletion request form. So simply click on this link and then you will get access to this submit a request page where you have to first choose your issue below. Here it is auto written here, that is delete my account. If it is not written here, you can click on this arrow button at the right corner and choose delete my account option for the subject. Once done, you have to enter your email address of your accounts and then account's current email. You can enter your current NordVPN account's email address and the amount paid, the method, payment dates, and here is the question asked that says, do you have NordLocker or NordPass account? If yes, then you can click on the arrow at the right corner and click on yes, otherwise click on no. Then after that, you have to provide the reason why you want to delete your non-VPN account. Once done, you have to describe your issue. So you have to enter the details of your request. A member of our support staff will respond as soon as possible. So once you have described the issue, then the support staff will respond as soon as possible. So after that, you have to add file as attachments to delete your NordVPN account. Once done, you can click on submit. If you want to reset, you can click on reset button as well. So once the form has been submitted, your account will be deleted after a few hours with the help of the support team of NordVPN. So that is how we delete our account on NordVPN. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos.